Bar magnet as equivalent solid. Dear students, if we view about the magnetic field lines for a bar magnet and a solenoid, that resemble exactly the same. Now we will find out the formula for magnetic field on the axis of this solenoid, and if it comes out equal to that for bar magnet, it means that our solenoid behave as a bar magnet. Okay, so for this, here this is the diagram. You can see that this is a solenoid of having length 2L, right? We have to find out magnetic field at point P due to this due to this solenoid. Okay, for this what we have done, we have taken this one part of the small length element, we can say. For example, if we cut it from this, so what we will get, we get a circular arc, perpendicular circular arc like this. Okay, and for this case, this circular arc, the point P is lying on the axis of that circular arc. So we will use the formula that we have derived by the Biot-Savart's law for the magnetic field at any point due to a circular arc in the perpendicular to the plane of the paper. Okay, one we have done for in the plane of the paper, another one we have done for plane of the paper. So we will use that. Fine, and we remember that formula is given by Biot-Savart's law, that is given by mu naught upon 4 pi into 2 pi ni a square divided by a square plus x square raised to power 3 by 2. And for that, if I draw this is a circular arc. If I draw the diagram, this is circular arc, this is the axis at point P. We have to find out, this was the distance x, and this is the area of cross section A, and this comes out to be a square plus x square raised to power 1 by 2. Okay, so from there we will use this. Now to use this formula, firstly we will find out the magnetic field due to this short element. Okay, and if n number of turns, if n is the number of turns per unit length, so for this small element the number of turns will be n dx. Number of turns is equal to n dx is equal to number of turns in the small element. Okay, so for that, magnetic field is small magnetic field dB, which is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi into 2 pi. Now n will be replaced by n dx I a square upon, now this a square is same, so I'll write here a square, but this x square, this distance from center to P point, now this is x, so this will be r minus x. So I would write here this distance is r minus x. So here x will be replaced by r minus x whole square raised to power 3 by 2. Now since P is at very largest distances, so we can at large distance, so r is very greater than a, or r is very greater than x. So ignoring a and x, so we'll get here only the term r square, and this 2 will be cancelled out with 2, so we get the term r cube. Okay, so we'll write here r cube. Fine. Now we will write in more simpler terms, that is, we know that magnetic moment is given by number of turns. Okay, firstly we have to find out the whole length. For the whole length of the solenoid, so for whole length, this x varies from minus L to plus L. So we will integrate it first. dB minus L to plus L, which is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi 2 pi, all terms which are constant taken out. This is n I a square upon r cube into dx minus L to plus L. So when we integrate dx, we will get x. Okay, so I would write here x minus L to plus L. So when we use upper limit and lower limit, we will get L minus L, so that comes out to be 2L. Okay, so I would write here this is 2L. Fine. So this is total magnetic field at any point P due to solenoid. Now writing in more simpler form, we know that magnetic moment M is given by number of turns. Now the number of turns per unit length is n, and number of turns for the whole 2L length is n into 2L. So number of turns is n into 2L, and current is I, and area is pi a square. So all these terms is replaced by m. So pi a square n into 2l and I, all these terms are replaced by m. So what we get here, we get mu naught upon 4 pi into 2m by r cube. If we compare this formula with the formula for magnetic field at any point due to bar magnet that are exactly same, which shows that the bar magnet behave as a, the solenoid behave as a bar magnet.